Qualities I admire most about my character as Zaur is una-una the look, the costume itself, but it's just the physical aspect of it. Pero kung tutusin yung siguro yung qualities na ina-admire ko is the resilience, yung kailangan makuha niya yung gusto niya, hindi siya nag-give up kaagad. Memorable experience, madami. Isa sa mga hindi ko makakalimutan, mga fight scene namin ni Cassiopeia. So malalaman niya kung bakit, kasi nagkaroon ng konting accident. Tinamaan ako ng weapon. But yeah, hindi ko makakalimutan yun. But syempre, of course, yung bonding namin nung naglalocking kami. Kasi we're getting to know each other more. Not just as individuals, but you know, as our character progresses, kasi mas nakikilala namin yung isa't isa, kung paano namin tinitreat yung bawat character. So off-cam, we talk about it, and then pagka isasalang na kami sa set, alam na namin yung mga gagawin namin. Challenges of portraying, hindi kasi ako ganun makapangyarihan unless I have the cetro. So yung my power is based on me relying on the power of the cetro. Pag wala, ordinaryong lang ako, combatant. Kumbaga ordinaryong soldier lang ako under Mitena. Pero yeah, eventually when I had the chance to hold the cetro, yun yung isa sa mga challenges, kasi hirap ng you're pretending that you're blasting so pero yeah, it's nice to have that kind of power also. How do I relate as our journey and growth throughout the series? Well, unang-una sa lahat, it's very difficult to stay on this costume for many hours. Sometimes kasi pwede naman tanggalin to, lalo na pag break time, lunch break, pero to remove is easy, to put on is medyo takes time. Medyo yun ang isa sa mga journey na nahihirapan kami all throughout. Pero as the character progresses, yung character ni Zaur, up and down kasi siya like sometimes he'll just follow and obey the command of our higher ups, which is si Mitena. Pero it came to a point nung nasa akin na yung pinakamalakas na weapon, which is the cetro. Ang sarap din to command. So I don't know, emotion, medyo laging galit din si Zaur dito So I think yan yung isa sa mga nakaka-relate ako in real life, kasi our emotions are not just happy one whole week. Sometimes you'll feel sad, and sometimes you'll feel angry also. Parang ganito din si Gabi. Pero hindi, syempre iba dahil fantasy to. Tapos if I could possess any of siguro the powers in real life, what would it be? Hindi ko alam kung, kasi I love the cold. That's one. So kung magkaroon man ako ng totoong powers kagaya ng cetro, gusto ko laging nasa malamig, nasa snow, kasi pawisin akong tao. Although it's also nice to have water. Actually, yung 4 na brilyante, sarap makamtan yun. Gusto ko rin lahat sila actually, to have that kind of power. But yeah, yung cetro, gusto ko talaga malamig. Tapos, what has his role taught you personally? Well, personally, yung never give up, siguro. Yung ganong motivation. Kasi kahit papaano, even if my character is one of the villains here, na pinanggagalingan kung bakit naging masama si Zaur, because he just wants his people to be saved or to be protected. So medyo lumaban si Zaur dahil na kinakawawa na yung mga kapwa namin Mineave. So yung mga natutunan ko dito is, of course, loving family. Kasi ako dito yung kahit gusto ko man magkaroon ng magandang future o magandang economy ang people namin, in real life, you want to protect and, take care of your family. Yun, I guess yun ang personally, yeah. professionally, to maintain patience. Kasi nga, napakainit ng costume po namin. Hello po, mga kapuso. Ako po si Gabby Eigenman. As Zaur, abangan niyo po kami lagi, gabi-gabi, Mondays hanggang Fridays po. Dito lang yan sa Kapuso. Sangre. Encantadia Chronicles Sangre po. Abangan niyo po kami lagi.